If you've recently lost a loved one and now you're responsible for their estate, including a house, you're probably wondering, how do I sell a home that's in probate? Do I need court approval? Can I list the property now? How long is this going to take? And more importantly, how do I not mess this up? In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how probate home sales work here in California. I'll walk you through the legal steps, the timing, what to avoid, and how to make sure the sale happens smoothly, even if you're just getting started with probate. My name's Gary DiGrazia Jr., who over the last 20 years has specialized specifically in probate real estate. I train other real estate agents on how to handle these complex transactions. I am the pro in probate real estate. Now, I'm not an attorney, but over the years, my father and I have developed a vast network of probate attorneys, fiduciaries, and paralegals to guide you through the legal side of probate the right way from start to finish. And because of our long-time relationship, our referral to these professionals can save you a lot of upfront, out-of-pocket expenses. So if you haven't started probate yet, be sure to schedule a consultation with me today. Okay, let's break down step by step what you need to know regarding selling a home during probate here in California. A probate sale happens when a person passes away and their home will be sold, but they didn't have a living trust in place. So the property is now part of the probate estate, which is overseen by the court. You or someone in your family has likely been named the personal representative. That's either the executor if the deceased left a will, or the administrator if there's no will. And now, the big question: can you sell the house? The answer? Yes, but there's a process. If probate hasn't been filed yet, the first step is filling out a form called the DE-111 and submitting it to the court. You'll also need to publish notice in a local newspaper and wait for your hearing date. That's usually a month or so after you file the DE-111. Once approved and issued certified letters, you'll either be granted full authority under the Independent Administration of Estates Act or limited authority, which means the court will supervise everything. The type of authority you receive will dramatically change how the sale goes. So let's break that down next. If you have full authority, here's what that means for the home sale. You can list the property right away. Once you have your certified letters, you can list the property. And you can accept offers. You can accept any price, any deposit, any terms. And there's no court confirmation. Just a notice of proposed action and federal tax statement letter is required. It also means a faster timeline, a smoother transaction, and you are in control. If you have limited authority, the court has full control. The court makes all the decisions for you, and the court has to approve the sale. So knowing which authority you have changes everything. Here's how a typical probate sale works once authority is granted. First, you'll want to hire a probate experienced realtor. That's me. Next, you'll want to prep, clean out, and professionally photograph the home. I'll take care of all that for you. Then you'll need to disclose probate specific forms. We can help with that. And then finally, list the property on the market, usually as is. Eventually, accept an offer, and that's when we issue the notice of proposed action, and your attorney and I will take care of that for you. Once all that's done, we will either move forward under full authority or limited authority and go through the court confirmation process. Throughout, you'll also want to notify heirs, stay compliant with the court, and keep things transparent to avoid any family friction. And I spearhead all of that for you. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes I see made by the estate and by inexperienced real estate agents. Listing the property before authority is granted. Choosing an agent who doesn't understand probate forms or disclosures. Underpricing or overpricing because Zillow said so. And the bonus mistake, not asking for help soon enough. The sooner you bring in someone who knows probate, the smoother and faster the entire process goes. So just because you may have a realtor, friend, or family member doesn't mean that person is qualified to handle the sale. If you're in the middle of probate or just getting started and you're responsible for selling the home, don't do it alone and don't hire someone without the experience. This isn't like a normal real estate transaction, and you and your family deserve someone who knows the terrain, all the paperwork, the players involved, and the pitfalls to avoid. Here's how I can help you. Be sure to download my free probate real estate resource guide. The link is in the description of this video. And also make sure you schedule a no obligation 15-minute call with me. That link is on the home page to this channel as well as in the video description. Or you could just send me a text message or email and I will get back to you personally. And hey, if this video helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with a family member or friend who's dealing with probate right now. I'm Gary DiGrazia, the pro in probate real estate. My team covers all 58 counties in California. So reach out and we will help you. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.